besia bibia. Aho Brasia kitchen. Aho no besia bibia. Yay! Gloria near, Gloria near, Gloria near. Yay! Aho Brasia kitchen. A one auntie Gloria betoni boise. No what church near my hodo. It come along with her. You see I didn't boom. Gloria near. Yay!
Hi precious family, this is Almonds kitchen with Gloria. Today we're making fudge. I have white chocolate chip, milk chocolate chip, almond, vanilla extract, condensed milk, and butter. I'm gonna butter my baking Paris bowl. I'm using the Fudge, using that. You can also use regular chocolate. You add the chocolate onto it. This is 1 cup. So 2 cups. Okay, so it starts melting. You keep stirring it. Don't let it burn. On a medium heat. On a medium heat, okay? Then we stove too much national. Add your vanilla. And you pour your okay. And you level it up. I left some to add the leave it out for maybe 1 hour, or it depends. When it's solid, you start cutting it the shapes that you want. Don't wait for too long because it's gonna be hard.